Hello guys, and my name is Kyla, and today I'm going to be showing you my Christmas presents I got. So first I got this Our Generation doll, and she has glasses that you can remove, and she has pigtails with red sneakers, and she has this plaid shirt, and then she has a jacket right here without sleeves, a vest. Then she has a skirt, and she comes with a bag that you can open. There's nothing inside, just places you can put stuff in. And she has pigtails, and this is the checklist where you can get a lot of stuff. There are categories, both sides. And this comes with the clothes that came with this, and it comes with the science kit too.
I think the science kit is separate.
I think so too. Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay, so this is the skeleton, and it came with the stand, has all the bones, your fibia, bacteria, the skull, the spine, your rib cage, your funny bone, everything. And then it came with these books, and it says chemistry, and we can take, let's see if one of these pens right. Let's take this. No, but let's try the pencil. I'm sure the pencil works. Here's the pencil. Open the chemistry book. Let's just write a K right here. See, it works perfectly. So you can write your chemistry notes down. Then there's your science book right here. Write all your science stuff, and of course the pencil works. See if the pen works at all. Let's write a Y. No, it doesn't work. Let's put that back. Let's try the highlighter. Here you go. Nice highlighter. No, let's see if the pencil only works. So that's cool, just pretending to use this stuff. I don't think the eraser actually works. No, it's just plastic. And then there's a physics book. Physics book. And this comes with blue pages.
Nice.
Yeah. And there's some paper. And this comes in a different set with the clothes. These pieces of paper. I tried to draw a squiggle with the pencil right here, see if it works. It did. And then when she comes over, she can put on her gloves. So let's put them on. Put it this way. There we go. And the other glove. It's like mittens, right, Mommy?
Yes. Is that the right way, buddy?
Yeah, this is the right way. Like that. There we go. Her gloves on. 1, 2. And then she can come over here, and she can come get her little apron. Hold on. There we go. Let's get the apron. Put it like that. I'll just put that right there. Okay. And it comes with Velcro. That's good. So we can just do this. It's lucky that she has pigtails, so it's easy. You can just remove that. Right there. Perfect. There we go. Now the apron's on. Oh, we're gonna remove the glasses. right there. Take the goggles, of course. We need goggles when we're doing experiments. Daddy has goggles too. There you go, see? And now she can come over here and do experiments. So this is baking soda. Right there, and it shakes too. And this is vinegar. Shakes too. And this is dye. And this is
A Bunsen burner?
a Bunsen burner. And I just turn on the light like that. And you can also turn it off. That's nice when it's dark. And then here's a dropper. Like you can take some vinegar, dip, dip, dye, and you can probably use a spoon to take that out. So let's put that right there. Oh, and speaking of spoon, we have a spoon right here.
Measuring cup?
Oh yeah, measuring cup. And you can just take it like that and dip, dip. This is
Just a beaker
just a beaker.
with something in it, some chemicals in it.
This is a thermometer.
Same thing, pretty much.
Yeah, but it has like where you can measure stuff. This is nice too. And then there's just a cup you can measure.
No, it has some other liquid in it.
Oh,
A blue liquid.
ooh, like water. And test tubes. A pink one, a yellow one, and a dark blue one. And you can easily put them back. Just slide them in. Ta-da! Perfect.
What's this?
This is a microscope. And you can use this, right, to bring it up to see higher stuff. Like if you want to see the vinegar logo and it's too small. Wait,
No, it's
Yeah.
totally different. But I'll show you how to use a microscope later.
it's to see like little chemicals. Like
Like
little
organisms and like skin and dirt and bacteria.
and liquids.
Yeah, we'll totally see that in a little bit.
Yeah. And it has like little stuff that you can see in. And there's also these toys.
Molecules.
Molecules. They're like tiny chemicals or tiny balls to get together. And this is the table of elements.
It's periodic table.
There's also stickers too.
Nice.
Pretty cool. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh yeah, and it also moves too with the wheels. The wheels turn, you can play with that. Tiny wheels. And you can also use these with Barbies too, if the Barbies are big enough to reach. This is pretty cool. And we're gonna do the science experiment and toys, and then we're gonna do the real life one so you can see in a little bit, in a minute. So let's move the skeleton. First, we're going to take a little bottle right here, add some baking soda. So some baking soda. Then let's take a drop of vinegar. And then we can add some color too to make it look like real lava. There we go. And now we need to mix it so it kind of combines.
So what happens when you drop the vinegar into the baking soda?
It creates a effect that's called carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you ready to go try it in real life?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take 2 drops of red in each of these. So, 1, 2, 1. Two.
No, so now we need blue.
Can I do it, Mom? Mom, can I do that?
Negative. You can do the vinegar though.
Okay, I'll do the vinegar. Okay. What can I do?
Stand by and watch.
You can stand by, okay?
Moral support.
Moral support. Yeah, you can be moral support. Can I give you guys a napkin when you're done doing this so it's all clean? Yeah, sure. Just get the napkin ready if you can, okay? How much napkins do you need? Just one? Just one.
Yeah, we're about to start though, so don't leave yet.
So don't leave it, okay?
Okay, so now we're going to add vinegar and we're going to have a chemical reaction. Let me show you how to do it first and then you do it, okay?
Okay.
So you just take it and you just squirt. Okay, but try not to squirt too much. We don't want to overflow it, but it's okay because we have a tray to catch it in case it does. Some more.
More. Ooh, okay. Ooh.
This is really cool. I think now we can make purple. Blue. Blue. White. Why not using it? Blue. It's green. Watch it, Kyla. So don't have vinegar in your eyes. And I have all my colors. Let me make sure any colors got a little mixed up.
Make more.
Okay.
Make more.
Blue. Purple. Green. Blue.
Look, green.
Green. Green. Brown. Green. Wow, what weird colors.
Oh.